Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding boat. This is session 3 of C programming language. In this session, we are going to learn how C is general purpose programming language. For that purpose, we have to recall hierarchy of software. We have already learned hierarchy of software in essentials of programming series. There we have learned software is majorly divided into system software and application software. System software is again categorized into operating system, device driver and utilities. Again, application software is categorized into distributed application software and standalone application software. So in this way, this is complete hierarchy of software. So using C programming language, we can develop Linux software, Linux operating system. Linux is based on C programming language. Device drivers mouse driver, mouse driver, audio driver, audio driver, and then utilities. What utilities? Antivirus, Oracle software, MySQL database software, and then in distributed application we can develop commercial application software, and in standalone application software we can develop browser, Google Chrome, and we can develop media player like VLC. So in this way, if we observe, using C language we can develop almost all kind of softwares. Hence it is proved that C is general purpose programming language. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.